What's up, YouTube family? This your boy Aristotle Investments, and I got two stocks that I know for a fact, based on my own personal opinion and research, will double, and they are $20 ranges right now. All right, so I'm going to give you these two stocks, but before I do, leave me a like, a comment, and turn your post notifications on, because I will be posting every single day. All right, for the rest of the year and next year, I'm dropping content every single day. All right, so let's get right into it. I don't want to waste you guys' time. All right. So the first stock is Lyft. Okay, Lyft. Now I've been in Lyft for a minute, but like I said, I personally recommend buying Lyft. Okay, and I'm going to explain why. For one, as you guys can see, every number are in thousands. This is Lyft's income statement on Yahoo Finance. You can see they have year-over-year revenue and year-over-year net profit, and they finally turned a profit. So at first, remember, we got to add 3 zeros to every number we see. They were down 1 billion, 1.5 billion, negative 340 million, to now positive 22 million, to now positive on the TTM trailing 12 months, $92 million net, right? Net profit, $92 million net profit. Okay, so they are now profitable, and they will fill this gap. So trust me, folks, they will fill this gap. It's literally set in stone. Now remember, this is all my personal opinion and research. This isn't financial advice. Like I said, do your own research. But again, folks, I bought Lyft around this price, and I'll show you guys. I've been in Lyft for a minute, so I end up making about 140K off Lyft before I took about half profits, but I shouldn't even took that, to be honest. This is when I got in. You guys can see in my chat right here, if I scroll down right here, I got in January. I've been got in this, and this is one of the stocks that I did very, very well on as far as adding into it. You know, the second stock, I didn't do too well about that, but we will talk about that, the second stock. And the second stock is actually a good one as well, and we'll talk about that some more. But yes, Lyft, they both have similar patterns that you're going to see. They were losing less and less money to now profitable to now making a lot of money on their TTM trailing 12 months. And yes, Lyft, I've been talking about Lyft for a minute. As you guys can see, even on Twitter, you can go look at this. This is all line dated. So yes, I'm the OG of calling this. I even gave my rationale when they first turned profit right here. I said they're about to turn profit. They're still at $12 a share. And yes, now they're partnering with Tesla for the robo-taxis. And honestly, all they had to do was copy Uber's business model, which I literally said. I said, look, this is a no-brainer. You know, that's all they had to do was copy Uber's business model, right? Yep, see, look, all Lyft has to do is continue to copy the business model of Uber. It's working out. They'll be profitable soon. That's all they had to do. It was literally set in stone. They already got the blueprint to getting their money up, all right? Uber did it. They literally went from unprofitable to profitable, right? So Lyft is going to 30, market. All right, I need to add into shares myself, because this gap fill is going to happen. And if it drops lower, buy more. Okay, so it doesn't matter for everybody like, what if it drops lower? Who cares? It's all about patience. We're in for the long game. You feel me? And then let me show you guys my particular position of Lyft. Okay, so Lyft, like I said, I already took profits on a few of these, and then I'm also in these shares. So I'm up about 60 racks in Lyft. You know, it doesn't really matter where you get in. It's all ego. Don't think, oh, I'm not in the same one as you, Aristotle. It's all about getting yours. You feel me? I'm even going to add. And even though I'm up 49%, percentages are all ego. It doesn't matter, folks. So, you know, don't think you can't add to your portfolio and everything. So again, Lyft. And then I'm also in a few leap steals, some runners. We can go here. I was up 140K at one point. Now I'm up 63K. So, you know, I took off some stuff, but I'm still up pretty heavy in this. So now let's go to the second stock, okay? And this one is a good choice as well, and they both have similar patterns. Sofi, okay? Now, this particular stock has some great news, okay? And I'll show you guys real quick. But this stock right here is on its way. It's going to do what Robinhood did. I think it's going to be worth $100 one day. All right, so let me show you guys. Let's talk about it. Sofi is now adding options, okay? So Sofi just launched option trading, which, you know, is a good thing for them, right? I don't think I'm going to use it personally, but they offered it. You get what I'm saying? So I see the future in them, Sofi. And again, I was in Lyft Leaps for a long time. You can go here and you can just go to my chat. You know, if you ever want to see when or what I'm in, you know. All right. Boom. Added Sofi shares and added, you know, the Leaps right here. So I was in Leaps. I'm still in Leaps, and I'll show you guys my particular position. Okay, you can go right here. And this is one I regret, folks. I'm not even gonna lie to you. I do regret this, all right? I should have been in heavier on this. I made about, you know, $5 grand on it, but really I made a little over 15 grand on it. And I regret not going heavier based on their financials. Their financials look amazing. If we go right here and look and notice a trend one more time, notice how Lyft went from unprofitable to now profitable. Sofi literally has the same exact trend. All right, we go to their financials. So let me show you guys this real quick. If you look here, Sofi is going to have the same trend as Lyft right here on this net profitable part right here, where it went from unprofitable to now profitable, the 2024 and the trailing 12 months, TTM, right? So we're going to go do that. We're going to type in Sofi. We're going to go to their financials, and we're going to see the exact same trend, okay? Year over year revenue, you got to add thousands to everything you see. And then we're going to go to their net income right here, and you're going to see they have the exact same pattern, right? And even crazier, you know, stupid profits. Negative 500 million to negative 360 million. Remember, you got to add 3 zeros because all numbers are in thousands. I guess to shorten the chart, 341 million, and then boom, 479 million, 561 million, right? Trailing 12 months. So these guys are insanely growth ready. And then now they're adding features to compete with Robinhood, and we seen what Robinhood did. And that's another stock that I bank heavily on. And like I said, I was in this for a long time as well. I should have added heavier, and I'll show you guys my shares as well. Okay, so I'll show you guys real quick. So right here, I'm up 35K. I was in at $12 a share. And remember, I'm going to add to this. It doesn't matter the fact that my percentage is going to go down. It's all ego if you believe that you shouldn't add to your shares because you're worried about having the best screenshot to show off to who cares, folks. It's about money. Remember, you cannot go to the dealership and say, hey, I would like to pay you in percentages. They're gonna be like, okay, that'll still be 100,000 for this Cybertruck, okay? Who cares that you made 100%? If you made 20% of 500K, that's still 100,000. Everybody understand that? So percentages really don't matter, especially when it comes to long term. Everybody loves to talk about percentages to make themselves feel better, but really it's all ego. And remember, trading and investing, period, ego will be, the death of you with your portfolio if you don't get it together and pull yourself together. So again, folks, these are all my personal opinions. If you like this, Definitely tap into my chat if you guys want to be a part of the best Discord in the world. And all I'm here to do is help you guys make money. And remember, you cannot watch the market by yourself. So being a part of a group of like-minded traders is the best thing you could do, folks. So this your boy Aristotle. Hope you guys enjoy this particular piece of content. Remember, buy as many shares of these as you can, folks, and you guys will be profitable. I'll see you guys tomorrow with some more gems, because that's all I do is drop gems. Tap in. I'll post the link in the description.